What's up, guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to share your screen in Google AI Studio. This feature allows Gemini Live to see your screen while you ask questions, making it much easier to get help with documents, websites, coding projects, or anything you're currently working on. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in using your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in the homepage, you may immediately not see the live option in the left-hand menu. Since the interface changes from time to time, there's an easy way to access this directly. Click on your browser's address bar and after .com/, simply type live, then press enter. This will take you directly to Gemini Live page if the feature is available on your account. After the page loads, look for the Share Screen button and click it. The first time you use this feature, Google AI Studio may ask you to acknowledge the screen sharing permissions. Review the prompt, then click Acknowledge or Continue to proceed. Next, you'll be asked what you'd like to share. You can choose a single You can choose to share a single browser tab, a specific application window, or your entire screen. Select the option that best fits what you want to show. Then choose the window or tab you'd like Gemini to see and click Share. Once screen sharing starts, you can begin talking naturally. Gemini Live can view the content of your screen while listening to your voice, allowing it to answer questions, explain informations, or help solve problems in real time. When you're finished, simply stop screen sharing your when you're finished, simply stop screen sharing using your browser's sharing controls or end the live session inside Google AI Studio. And that's all there is to. And that's it. That's how you can share your screen in Google AI Studio using Gemini Live. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.